Hello friends, in this project we work on keypad value print in LCD. How to print keypad value in LCD. Now we start the project. First we search Arduino R3, drag and drop here. Now we search keypad 4x4. 4x4 means 4 column and 4 row. Now we search breadboard. Drag and drop. Again we search LCD 16x2. Put in the breadboard. Now we search, take one resistance and one potentiometer. Now connect the circuit. First we connect the keypad to the Arduino. There is 4 pin of row 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 pin of column. Now row connect to 9 pin. First row connect to 9 pin. Second row connect to 8 pin. Also change the color. Third row connect to 7 pin of Arduino. And 4 row connect to 6 pin of Arduino. Now column 1 connect to 5 pin. Column 2 connect to 4 pin of Arduino. And column 3 connect to 3 pin of Arduino. And last one, column 4 connect to 2 pin of Arduino. Now keypad connection is completed. Now connect the LCD connection to the Arduino. First we connect VCC to the breadboard. 5 volt connect to the breadboard. First we connect the 5 volt to the breadboard. And also change the color red. Second, ground pin connect to ground of the breadboard. Change color black. Now VCC pin of LCD, ground pin of LCD connect to ground. VCC pin of LCD connect to VCC. And now V0 pin connect to potentiometer. Potentiometer of first terminal connect to VCC. And second terminal connect to ground. First connect to VCC. And middle one connect to the V0 pin of Arduino. Now LED anode connect to VCC of the Arduino 5 volt and LED cathode connect to the ground. Change the value of resistance. Simple click on the resistance and change the value 330 ohm. This pin is a red pin. Now we connect. Here we connect the analog pin. RS pin connect to A0 pin of Arduino. RS pin. RS pin connect to A0 pin of Arduino. RW pin connect to ground of the breadboard. E pin connect to A2 of Arduino. D4 pin connect to A3 of A2 of Arduino. And A3 D5 pin connect to A3 of Arduino. Also change the color. And D6 connect to A4 of Arduino. A4 of Arduino, green. And D7 pin connect to A5 of Arduino. A5 pin of Arduino. Now the circuit will completed. This circuit is so complicated. Now the circuit is completed. Now see the code. Open the code. This is the code of LCD with keypad. Here is a library of keypad. This is the library of LCD, and we define the LCD pin. Now this is row, 4 row and 4 column. This is a matrix, and 4 row connect to 949876, column connect to 5436. Here we serial dot begin 9600 for LCD, LCD dot begin. In the upper value, this is a row and this is column. Column is only 2 and row is 0 to 15. LCD print, first we print LDR value, again we go in keypad value store in keyword. That's why I will print serial.print ln key and lcd.print key. Now copy this code and paste in the Arduino and paste in the Tinkercad code. First we open, click on the code, then go to the blocks and select text and continue and delete this code and paste the code. Then we start the code. If LCD is not printing, then you will rotate the potentiometer like this. Okay, now value is showing. Now zoom, decrease the zoom. When I press 1, then value is print 1. When I press 2, then value is print 2. When I press 3, you can see all value are printing in LCD. Code also given, you can download the code. If I press 0, if I press hash, star. Now if LCD is if LCD is not printing, simply rotate the potentiometer like this. Then see the value is showing. There is written LDR value. Now change in the code. Here we type keypad value. Keypad value. Now start simulate. Now in the LCD we write keypad value. Now when I press the keypad value 1, then in LCD print also 1. Like that 2, 3, all value are printing in the LCD. Code also given, you can download the code. Now project is completed. Watch the next video for the next project.